Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Pinterest with username and password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Pinterest application on your device, or if you don't have one, you can either install that from Google Play Store or simply go through your Google Chrome on your device. If you are going through Google Chrome, open up the Google Chrome and on the search URL type in Pinterest, then you can simply log in from there. Or if you already have an application, you can simply launch that application. Since I have installed the application, I will just go ahead and launch the application. Once you launch or open the application, you will land on this interface. Now, to get logged into your account with username and password, first of all, you have to enter your email address. Make sure you enter your valid email address that you have used while creating an Pinterest account, or if you have created your account with Google account, you can also go with your Google account by tapping on this button that says continue with Google. Now once you're done typing in your username or your email address, then tap on continue button. Then you will be asked to enter your password. So enter your correct password right here, or in case you forgot that, you can recover your password by tapping on this option that says forgot password right under login button. Tap on there and that's gonna help you recover your password. If you're done typing in your username and password, simply tap on login button and after that you will be successfully logged into your Pinterest account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you log into Pinterest with your username and password. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.